Hi, I'm Stefanie Bohin. I live in Cheyenne, Wyoming. I've been here for over 20 years. I work at JCPenny Salon as a salon manager. Why I chose Cheyenne is I feel like it's such a great place to raise children. I raised my daughter as a single mom, and she had such a great opportunity in school with all of her friends and band and everything, and it was such a great experience even at the University of Wyoming. And some of the great things to do in Cheyenne, my favorites are Friday nights at the Plaza, where they bring in live bands, and the farmers market, absolutely one of my favorites. Cheyenne's just a great place to live.